H157 Drone Operation Course. Battery installation. Unscrew the clasp. Open the lid. Distinguish between front and back connected batteries. Install the battery. Tighten the clasp. Place the horizontal open switch. At this time, the lights of the drone are flashing. The blue light is flashing. Turn on the remote control to connect the drone automatically. The lights are always on. The blue light is always on. Press this button to take off. Press the button again to land. The left knob controls the rise, drop, left rotation, right rotation. The right knob controls the advance, step back, fly to the left, fly to the right. The third gear speed is adjustable. Press this button and push the right rocker. The drone rolled in the direction. Long press this button. Turn on the obstacle avoidance function. See the figure above for more features. You can choose a watch to control the drone. Watch button description. The watch can control the direction of the drone. Use the complementary charging line to recharge. The red light is on for charging. When the light is off, it is fully charged.